Hello kids, I hope you are staying safe and happy. Today we will talk about pronouns, which are also called supporting names. So pronouns are also called supporting names for nouns, the words which are used in place of nouns to support them. So pronouns are used to support the nouns when we use these words in place of nouns. Let's go to next page. Let's recall nouns first. So nouns are also called calling names of a person, thing, place or animal. So we have talked about nouns in my previous videos. So examples of nouns are boy, table, city, tiger. Let's move further. Let's talk about pronouns now. So these people are talking about a girl whose name is Pari. So these people are talking about a girl. This girl whose name is Pari. So there is a boy in the picture whose name is Rahul. Can you see the boy? Yes, his name is Rahul. So the girl with the bag is Sonal. So this girl is Sonal. Rahul and Sonal are talking to their English teacher, Miss Reema. Okay, let's go to next page to find out what they are talking. Who is Pari? Let's see. So teacher is saying, have you seen Pari? Rahul, no miss. Who is Pari? Teacher, Pari is a new girl who joined class 2A. Means second class A today. Pari is a very smart girl. Pari has short hair and also wears specs. Would you like to talk to Pari? So many Pari are coming. So the name of the Pari is coming so many times. So how do we fix this? How we can replace it? Let's see. Let's replace nouns with pronouns. So Pari is a proper noun. Let's see how we replace with the pronoun. Let's see. Teacher, have you seen Pari? Rahul, no miss. Who is she? So Pari is a girl, so she can be used in place of Pari. Pari is a noun, she is pronoun. Teacher is saying she is a new girl who joined class 2nd A today. She is a very smart girl. She has short hair and also wears specs. Would you like to talk to her? So her is also a pronoun. Let's go to next page. Oh, very cute girl is here. So let's talk about this girl. There is a girl in this picture. Her name is Tia. Tia loves to study. Tia is 6 years old. Tia likes to play with dolls. Tia is a joyful girl. I will meet Tia on this Sunday. Again, so many times Tia is used. Tia is a proper noun. Can we replace that noun? Let's see what is on the next page. So there is a girl in this picture. Her name is Tia. She loves to study. She is 6 years old. She likes to play with dolls. She is a joyful girl. I will meet her on coming Sunday. So she and her are pronouns. So this is how we can make it simple. Okay, let's go to next page. So now we need to see where to use pronouns while talking or writing. Okay, let's see. When we talk about a singular pronoun, we use these pronouns. When we talk about singular noun, we use these pronouns. He, she, his, her, him. Okay? When we talk about plural form of a noun, we use these pronouns. They, we, us, these, them, their. Okay? When a person talks about himself or herself, he or she uses these pronouns, I or me. So for example, if I talk about a boy, then I can use he. So for example, Karman is a boy. He is 7 years old. Tia is a girl. She is 6 years old. Where to use his? Should we talk about one example? Okay. So, Rohan has a dog. Okay. His name is Rocky. And Tia has a doll. Her name is Minnie. Where to use him? Okay. My son's name is Karman. I also call him Cuckoo with love. Okay, so this is how I can use pronouns. So when we talk plural form of a noun, so example is like Rohan and Tia are friends. They go to a local park every day. Okay? Then I and Herman are friends. We go to a local park every day. Right? So, these are some examples. And when a person talks about himself or herself, he or she can use these pronouns, I and me. So, I am Manpreet Kaur. Okay? You can call me Manpreet. So, I used I and me both. Let's go to other pages for more examples. So, let's learn more. When we talk about one person, place, thing or animal, then we use he, him, his, she, her or it. When we talk about a girl, she and her. When we talk about a table, this or it. When we talk about a place, Delhi, it or this. Cat is an animal, it or this. Plural form of the nouns, they, them, their. Okay, let's go to next page. Let's meet Rishabh now. Hi friends, I am Rishabh. You can call me Rishi also. So here you is there. It is a typo. You can call me Rishi also. I have many friends. So Rishabh is using I. Rohan and Pranav are my best friends. They like to sing and dance with me. We also go to a local park every day. One day we saw a puppy in the park. It was so cute. We took it to my home. We play with it every day. So all the highlighted orange words are pronouns. And if you see, my is blue color, which is also a pronoun, and it is also called possessive adjective. Okay, because the person is talking about himself. So my is also called possessive adjective. We will talk more about this in other videos. Okay, let's go to next page. Let's practice more. Rohan lives in Delhi. Rohan is very smart. What is wrong in orange line? Rohan. So he is very smart. We can replace Rohan with he. Delhi is a big city. Delhi is capital of India. So we can say it is capital of India. So we can replace Delhi with pronoun it. Sahil and Aman are brothers. Sahil and Aman live in Kolkata. So again Sahil and Aman can be replaced by they. They live in Kolkata. Harmeet is a good boy. Harmeet looks after his sister. So his is fine. We cannot say Harmeet looks after Harmeet's sister. So his is used. But we can also replace Harmeet with he in the orange line. Harmeet is a good boy, which is an introductory line. We are introducing Harmeet. In the second line, we can use he. He looks after his sister. So when we introduce someone, then we can use noun, and when we use the person name in the second line, or when we want to talk about that noun in the second or third line or any line after that, we can replace the noun with a pronoun. Okay, I repeat. While introducing a noun which is a person, thing, animal or place, while introducing the noun, we use the noun itself. But when we use the same noun while talking, then we have to replace the noun with a pronoun. I hope the idea is clear. I hope you enjoyed this chapter, which is pronouns. Okay? So if you like the video, you can click on like button. You can share and subscribe as well. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and keep studying.